So you just got your brand new iPad Pro and you're looking for a screen protector and don't really like the paper-like screen protectors? Well, Spigen has you covered. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have a tempered glass screen protector from Spigen. Picked this up on Amazon for $21.99 with Prime shipping. And link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick one of these up. Look at this big bad boy. Look at this. Packaging is absolutely humongous. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this unboxed and installed on our iPad Pro. And so you can really see if you're really going to like this style of screen protector. It is easy install is what they say. Bam, look at all the goodies you get. Look at all the goodies you get. You get this installation tray with all the accessories needed. Bam, let's go ahead and remove that. Put that on the side. You do get the installation instructions, so make sure you read them. And you get the screen tempered glass itself right here, as you can see. Just go ahead and set that aside. Make sure you have a lot of room for this, man, because this thing is massive. So this does have instructions. This says is the top here. The cameras are right there, so go ahead and place that inside the tray. Let's get our installation tools here and clean the display itself pretty good. You do have a QR code on how to remove bubbles, a dust remover, little handy wipe, a squeegee, and some cleaning wipes here. Let's go ahead and clean this. And this does dry out. It dries out your hands. Get it nice and wiped. Oh look, there it is. Let me turn this off. It's gonna make it a little bit easier.
I'm not sure I understand.
Shut up. Off it goes. I like to use this air dust to remove dust. So what you want to do is remove the film. You have handles. Grab this bad boy, kind of line it up. Press and slide. I guess the squeegee is and then you pull this. Kind of cool installation, and then you kind of squeegee out the remainder of the bubbles. And voila, not bad for the installation. Let's take a look at this. So we're all done. Let's go ahead and power this bad boy on. Remove the tray. Fairly easy installation if you follow the guides here. It is a big device, so be careful. That moisture spot right there is going to go away. Let's go ahead and unlock this. Now the clarity of the screen protector is absolutely amazing. It does not affect the display whatsoever. It doesn't alter the image here on the display. It looks good. Sensitivity is nice, and there, look at that, very nice and smooth. Again, Spigen tempered glass screen protector for the iPad Pro 12.9 M1. You can use this same screen protector for the 2021 model, 2020 and 2028 model for $21.99. It doesn't get better than this. Link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick this up for your iPad. Looks amazing. Obviously the pencil is going to work. Let's grab the pencil real quick. And as you can see, works absolutely amazing. You can go ahead and use this as is. Voila. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is the Spigen tempered glass screen protector for your iPad, as I mentioned. Works for 2021, 2020, and 2018. If you want to pick it up for yourself, link will be in the description below. Again, please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.